Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is an iPhone 16e. So the first thing we got to do is put these in a pairing mode. So go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case, and as soon as you take them out, after a few seconds, you'll know that it is in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. I'm not getting any kind of lights on here. The reason is because I'm actually connected to a different device. I'm connected to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I have to either go to the device that I'm connected to, which is this phone right here, and I can go to Bluetooth here. I can turn off Bluetooth or disconnect or delete it from the pairing list. If I do any of those three right now, these will automatically go into pairing mode. I can also reset these right now and they'll also go in the pairing mode as well. Okay, but I'm just going to go ahead and turn off Bluetooth here. And as soon as I turn it off, look at the earbuds. Now one of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So now it is in pairing mode. So now let's go ahead and jump over to our iPhone here. We're going to go to settings. You want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and scroll down a little bit and see that little spinny thing next to devices. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near you. Okay, it's still in the pairing mode. It found the TOZO T10s right there. Let's tap on that. We are connected, ready to go. Now if you had any kind of issues, you couldn't put it into pairing mode or you couldn't connect, you can always reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.